What is up, guys? Happy Saturday. And today I'll be talking to you about the 5,000 plus kilometers or 3,000 plus miles review. So guys, like always, please like and subscribe if you like my content. I'm also going to be doing a $50 gift card giveaway for Christmas. So now up until maybe like December 20th or something, all you have to do is subscribe to my channel and leave a comment, and I will pick a random person from the YouTube videos from now, which today is November 7th, up until December 20th. If you leave a comment and subscribe to my channel on any of my videos, which are posted from now on, I'll pick someone and give away a $50 Amazon gift card. Now, I'm also going to mention, since we're at 5K, some of the issues that I've had with the Tesla. So some of you guys know about the windshield glass cracking, and it kind of happened from the outside, so I had to pay to replace it. But there's certain other things also that I recorded on delivery day that they had to fix. So I'm going to talk about those now. So the first thing I want to talk about is the glove box. So the glove box wasn't damped. It would just like open and just fall straight like that, instead of opening slowly. So they had to fix that issue. So now if I show you, that issue has been fixed. See how it opens nice and slow? So that's one. Now the other issue that I want to mention that they had to fix for me was the paint chip. So if I open the door here, there used to be a chip here. So this is like some salt marks, but there was a chip here, if you remember from my delivery video. I'll put the link in the description for you to see it. There's a chip here, so they fixed that. And then over here there was small like debris in the paint when they delivered the car, so I had recorded that on delivery day. So they got this fixed, the entire panel. They had to send it to a body shop and redo this whole area here. Next is on this side, the same issue. There was like two burrs here. When they painted the car, there was debris in the paint. So same thing, they had to like send it to the same body shop and get this fixed. Next is also the door handle. So this door handle wouldn't sit flush. So like it wouldn't go in all the way. It would kind of sit like this once you let go. So they had to fix that for me as well. And then the trunk, there was one issue here. It was like there was some like paint marks here, like two white paint marks here. So they replaced this entire piece here for the trunk. So here you can see that I have driven 5,785, 1,040 kilowatt hours, like I mentioned earlier, with an efficiency of 180 watt hours per kilometer. So the electricity price where I stay is 15 cents per kilowatt hour. So if you do 1,040 times 15 cents, that'll give you $156 to drive 5,785 kilometers, or 3,300 miles for those of you in the States. So that's about 9 tanks of gas to approximately drive that much. Those cars cost me $540 in gas to drive that much, 5,785 kilometers. And this cost me 156. So now if you do the math, so if you do 540 minus 156, you'll get $384 of savings. So now imagine if I keep this car for 200,000 or 280,000 kilometers, which is how long the Odyssey's lasted us and still going. So this savings would increase quite a bit. Plus, like the luxury of FSD, when that left and right turn automation comes in with the update, that's even worth it more. So that means like this car might be able to like kind of pay itself off if I keep it for a long time, which I plan to keep, because if I keep driving that much for work, definitely I'll keep this car. And another thing I like about the Model Y is, of course, the roof. I still love the roof to this day. Like, I haven't gotten bored of that. I really enjoy like taking my friends for a spin in this car, especially if like they don't know I'm about to like kind of accelerate a little bit, and then if you're sitting in that seat, you can really feel like the speed or the dual motors just like going to work. We'll have to see in the winter how the heat pump performs and how much energy we use. I would really love to compare the Model Y to a Model 3 in the winter, like do a range test almost kind of a thing, and see how much energy the Model 3 uses versus the Model Y. So I'm hoping that I can probably get a Model 3 rental or something and have my brother drive it or something for the sake of just research purposes to see, like, is the Model Y's heat pump worth it or not. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. Like I mentioned, there's a $50 Amazon gift card giveaway. So I'm going to be doing that for Christmas. And from now up until Christmas, if you like and subscribe on my videos and you leave a comment stating like which Tesla would you get, or would you get a Model Y or whatever it is, and I will pick someone from the comments and you will get a $50 gift card. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.